Hello friends, I just got home from the P.O. box and I got a package and it is shipped to Shop with Dessa. So I have a feeling this is not something I purchased because I would put my full name. So I wanted to make a video for you guys opening up said package. Oh yes! So we have a 3-in-1 light up LED charging cable. I'm pretty sure I have a USB in here. Hold on a second. Okay, my van is running. Let's plug this in. See. Wrong way. Why is the USB always the third way? The third time is always the charm. And, look at it. It glows. And it has a USB-C, a micro USB, and a lightning cable. How cool is that?